Buenos dias, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing our seats that we got by CORBEAU. And with that being said, guys, I cannot start this video without saying a huge, massive shout out and thanks to CORBEAU. I really hope I'm saying this right. CORBEAU seats for sponsoring this video, or not the video, but the actual seats. They were kind enough to be able to sponsor me for these seats. And man, I already showed you guys in previous videos, but I'm gonna show you guys once again the seats. They look absolutely stunning. They look beautiful, especially with the harness. And we're gonna go ahead and install them today. I was going to install the harness another day, but now that I'm gonna take out the seats and everything's gonna be so accessible, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, put it inside. So without further ado, we got a clear space right here, and the G is out there, and well, we gotta you know, put it in. There you go. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and install the seats. I'm gonna try to kind of show you the installation, see how good it is, but I'm just gonna show you guys the seats. All right, disconnect some cables because, you know, these have seated heats, and plus, you know, they have all the electronics. So with that all being said, we are going to start by disconnecting the battery. You guys don't want to have the battery connected and deal with all these electronics, you know, just for a worst case scenario. So we're gonna disconnect the battery, and we're gonna start with this thing. There it is, and it has two in the front. Right there, there's a tap. We're gonna, you know, scoot the seat back and everything. We're gonna take these, I think these are 14. This tap, they said just carefully lift it up. There you go, guys. I just took the tap. You just gotta kind of pull on it a little bit hard, not too much, but yep, it's the 14. Let's go take off these this screw and the other one, and then I'll take all these four out. I'll take all these freaking bolts right now, and I'll show you guys. I'll give you guys an update right now. Go one-handed, bruh. I'm a beast. Just like that, we take off a screw. All right, guys, we just need one more screw. You guys are probably like, wait, you already told us. Well, I got sidetracked because I told you of the battery, right? And so I was taking off, just unplugging these. You was just supposed to unplug these with the 10 mil, and well, the little freaking this thing, piece of shit, motherfucker. This thing fell and went down below that black tray. So I ended up, this thing escalated from 0 to 100. I had to take out the whole battery, unplug everything, take out all this thing right here, take off all those screws, take out that black tab, and then get the little thing at the bottom. At least I know how to take a battery out now, I guess. All right, guys, welcome to the back seat of my car. It's actually not bad. I'm back here. I'm short though. All right, guys, we're doing it kind of one-handed, but we already unplugged this one, and the only cable you see coming out of there is like this one. We gotta cut some zip ties because it's all zip tied up and duct tape, but we just need to unplug one more sensor and this thing should come off. Alright, we're gonna vacuum the area real quick. It's always good to have it clean. Plus, I didn't get to clean it last time. We found some glass here. I don't know what the freak they're doing glass. I don't know if this car got crashed or robbed. Ghostbusters, ready to attack this. And since we are doing this whole seat, you know, switch off here, I took off this seat and it is insanely freaking heavy. So we're gonna crush the what do you call it, the myth here. We're gonna go bring out a weight scale and we're gonna come see how much this thing weighs, because it's gonna be interesting for those of you guys who are interested, see how much it weighs and the differences, like if it really makes a difference. It probably won't make that much of a difference, like, you know, if you're trying to save weight, but we still want to know. So let's go bring our weight scales and I'll show you guys the seat in there. Let's go weigh the new one since it's already inside. Then we'll come outside and weigh the OEM one. A little small little montage here. 3, 2, 1. go. These are the RRS white diamond stitching from CORBEAU. They look absolutely beautiful. They look beautiful. But let's go ahead. We have our scale here. Obviously, it's not. This is not to weigh seats. We're gonna try our best. This might not be accurate, but we're gonna try our best here. 22. Yeah, that's how. So that was 20 to 23 pounds. We're gonna say like 22 pounds average because they got 20, got 23, got 22. Obviously, this scale is like it's accurate, but like with the seats and its movement, it's obviously not gonna be that accurate. We're gonna test these seats out. Like you guys saw, I lifted it with one hand. These seats, like there's no way. Like there's no way. I could carry 50 pounds like a dumbbell, right? I know I'm buff. Let me see. There's no way, guys. Obviously, I don't think I could put it in the scale. Let's look at this one. One hand. That felt more like 35, 40 pounds. But that should just tell you right there if I could lift that one up and the other one was not even close, like I couldn't pick it up. It should be a good 30, 40 pounds over. So alright guys, we're outside. We brought out the seat. It's looking beautiful in the sun. I'm gonna put one there and one here just to be safe. And I have to remove the back seats. See if I could do that right here. I think they just lift up with one finger. There you go. There you go. Nah, just kidding, guys. You actually have to pull on pretty hard. Alright guys, it's been a tired, exhausted day. This took way longer than it needed to be. Way longer. The bracket for the passenger side did not fit. One of the screws, either if 3 fit, one didn't. If the other 3 fit, one didn't. And so we had to grab one of these drill bits, right? One of these boxes does a drill bit. And we basically just extended the hole, made it wider. I'm in a damn fucking roller coaster. These are hired up. Check it out. I go front, but look, it's quick to catch. My face was to throw up. I mean, like throw, like in case of an accident. You know, it goes. It doesn't come that close. I still got like, I would say like a foot's worth of gap, and I'm obviously would get hit by the airbag. But then I would just throw back. But I think this is about. But yeah, guys, we're coming to an end here in the G35, guys. I know you guys are probably like, wait, what the freak? That's it? That's it? That's it? What the fuck? That's all you brought me for? Nah, guys. These are my future plans, guys. Okay, first of all. Alright, it's my fucking life. I do whatever the fuck. Alright, nah, for reals. On the real note, guys, I haven't put any performance, like you guys may already know, and I don't want to mess. I didn't want to mess with that because it is my daily. It's my only car. My next project will be a performance car, guys. Next car I get, I'm really thinking. Want to get an LS3. I want to get a 2010 through 2013. LS3 Corvette C6, or I was thinking also about a Q63 3.0. Man, those, you put an exhaust, a heat exchanger, you know, better intercooler, freaking tune, dude, that shit is gassing, bro. Q60s are freaking fast as shit. So I don't know, guys. Q60 looks beautiful as hell, but C6 are mean and look sick as hell too. So I'm still debating, guys, but a performance car will come. I don't want to fuck with this, because if I put performance and shit like that and it messes up, I don't got a second car to be driving around, and you know, I gotta play it smart here. And I'm sorry if that disappoints one of you fuckers, but hey, I gotta play it smart here. But with that being said, I like the way the G's coming out. Thanks for all of you guys who have been showing support, and we'll continue, guys. We'll continue. And I'm still supercharging the G, guys. Don't worry. I'm going to come back to the G. It's just that right now, it's my only car. I have to buy a different car, and I want it to be a performance car, and I want this to be my daily. And so we'll come back. And when we do come back, we're probably going to supercharge it and maybe get a hood. I really want a hood. We'll get a hood, but We're gonna come back to the G, guys. I promise. The G is not going nowhere. And if this engine blows, I will put a new one and keep this G rolling. This G will stay alive forever. Alright, guys. It is the day after Christmas 26th. But before I show you guys the seats and the whole complete setup, the G's outside right there. Look, take a look, guys. The G's outside right there. Before I show you guys the G, though, we're gonna go grab some food because I'm really hungry. Hey, Andy. So you think they could beat you guys or what?
No, they suck.
No.
They look
Why not?
good.
Dude,
They were hecka talking trash too.
What I would do? Hey, I'm gonna reverse and I'm gonna send them back to the hospital.
You guys are probably wondering what that was about. We went to the park earlier with my brother and his friend, and some other 3 kids came to play soccer. And then he was super nice and everybody was super nice. You know, it was a nice friendly game. And then at the end, they were about to leave. It's like, all right, guys, see you guys later. I'm about to go get some bitches. I'm like, what the fuck? What the fuck? By the way, what'd you guys get for Christmas? Let me show you guys what I got. Got some nice little AirPods. Fresh shoes right here, man. Custom BeDistinct beanie, you guys can see. Oh, and I got this. Some pantuflas. Our vinyl roll came in. You guys don't know or haven't been keeping track. This is the vinyl for the door. But yeah, like this side is nice even. I don't know if you guys can tell. Nice even. Turn it around, burnt orange. And then like if you guys look at it with this way, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the door is really a different color from the rest of the car. So we gotta switch that. In person is, if you look at it from far, it's a little obvious, but from up close it's almost, you can't even tell. And the steering wheel's coming in December 30th to January 6th. One of those days the forged carbon fiber steering wheel will come in and we'll be popping, knocking. Honestly, guys, I really love these AirPods, but let me see. Oh, they look cool too and everything, but I feel like every time I wear them, like I feel like I'm a dick, or like I look like a dick, or like I smell like dick. Dude, guys, I found a bigger flex move. You wear half, well, half no, half yes, so you can hear the peasants. Then when you wear the shade, hold up. Damn, this beanie is hella tight. Hold up. Okay, there you go. Right now, you don't really get some pops because the exhaust is cold still. Oh, this seat is comfortable. Let's see if we can let my girlfriend know that I'm here without actually texting her. Oh man, this sounds so freaking good. Oh, she's looking at me. Oh. She came out. Let's see what she thinks about my clout though.
You extra boy.
You heard me?
Did you hear? Yes, I heard you.
Hey, what do you think about my clout? Look at my beanie. And look at the AirPods. Look, guys. Look what I got her for Christmas. I didn't really show it, but look what it. I can't even see the camera. Look what it says on the side. Can you focus on that? Okay, well you can't really, if it's not focusing, but it says BeDistinct, and then on the inside, it's her last name. Yeah, it's her last name. Put 'em on. Oh shit, you okay? Hopefully there's no cops around here. Please turn green. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah. Oh, you cannot hear him. You hear him really loud when you downshift into a stop. And this is the street, Capitol Street. This is the one that leads to the Capitol. Duh! My buddy. Look over there, look, the Capitol. Y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Oh, y'all only see my face now. Where am I? homemade Golden Gate Bridge, guys. Self-made it with a little bit of sugar. It came out pretty good. What do you guys think? Oh, it's got a nice little echo to it. Damn, it's feeling a little poppy today. Place where we're calling, they're calling the cops on us right now, but we have to go. Check this out. This is the car right here, and look, where's some shades? Damn, that thing looks sick, right? All right, let's bounce off.
You heard him calling the cops on us?
Yeah. Don't you hear him? Cause I can't. Yeah, just kidding. All right. That's enough for the AirPod jokes today. Oh, we're doing 24 hours in my personal life section.
You never said bye.
Oh, bye, Alicia. In the air, like, it actually looks weird. Is the camera capturing it?
Yeah, it's sparkling.
This girl right here, she has a G35. Was she mad staring? She was, huh? Gotcha, bitch. Oh, that car. Why do they have the white lights be in the bottom where nobody sees it? Well, this car. You took too long, motherfucker. That guy took too long. What do you want me to do? Oh, kind of looks like my intro. That's because this is where I shot it. But today it is Christmas Day. That's kind of redundant. Happy Merry Christmas to all you fuckers. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, man. We're starting a new year, 2020. This is going to be the last video of the year, and we are going to start 2020 with a clean sheet. It seemed like the condensating stopped, so that's good news. All right, well, here are the seats, guys. They have like this carbon vinyl in the back, which I think it's a really nice touch. It looks really good. Kind of matches with the vinyl I already have in the back, as you guys can see there. So that and that match perfectly. Also, this kind of rubs, if you close the door, this kind of rubs against the door a little bit. So when the car shakes, or like when it moves when you're riding, the bumps, like this thing freaking toggles on the door right here. And you could hear it, like the leather, like I don't know, something. I gotta fix that somehow. And honestly, I don't know if I'm delusional. I don't know if I'm a little crazy. But when I was driving and I was laid back like this, every time I was going on manual mode, right? I know, roast me all you want. I know it's an auto, alright, but I was in manual mode, and every time I shift, like I felt the pull in my seat, like a roller coaster just pushing me every time. I felt like the power of the car a little bit more. It felt a little faster. It's super comfy. It's super snug on the sides here, like right here. You could really feel it snug you, and it's just a great feeling, a great place to be at. And I think it made the car light. I mean, I know it made the car lighter, but I feel it. I want to say I feel it. So I've been talking a little bit too much, man. I feel like the president on here. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a beautiful Christmas. Happy New Year's, because I won't be uploading till the next year. Happy New Year. Spend it with your family. Spend it with all that, all the loved ones. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Give this video a like. I'll catch you guys next year for a brand new video. And don't forget to have a good time, man. The year lasts so little. Make every single second memorable. Make every single second worth it. Make 2020 the best year you can ever possibly think of. Make it a good one, guys. Take care. Peace out. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.